It's clear that some of you are still having issues hooking up printers for Linux to your Linux-based systems for full functionality. Someone asked for help about Canon. This is something new on the Canon website. At least it's new from the last time that I checked. Whenever you are trying to hook up a printer to your Linux system, always check the vendor first. Check the manufacturer first, whether it's Canon, HP, Lexmark, it doesn't matter. Check with them first and see if that'll help. Now, this is something new. This is called BrightQ Pro. Again, from the last time I checked, now I don't use a Canon printer, I use HP. I found HP to be very easy to use printer drivers. But if you have a Canon, this is fairly new. Now, again, I don't have a Canon printer, so I can't test this. So always check, but that being said, always check the vendor first and see if you can get some information here. And there is a lot of information. So check this out for those of you who have Canon printers. If this doesn't work, then check the software, the default printer software in your Linux system. You can search printers or add a printer or something like that should get you to the printer software, default software in your specific Linux distribution. Hook up your printer via the USB cable, and hopefully your Linux distribution will install the printer driver automatically. That usually works.